says it's recording, right?
Let me check.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, yeah, and then I'll take the quiz. Okay, so I think we have to draw this out.
Yeah. I will draw it on my end and we can compare maybe.
Yeah,
I mean, is that website that he used in the playlist, like, is that available? Would that be easier for you?
I assume
was-
no.
but I think he wants us to actually draw it out.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just saying it looks easy to just plug it in like that.
Yeah.
I don't think we're allowed to use that because that one automatically like sorts it when you add a new
We had
number.
to. Okay.
Yeah.
I think he wants us to sort it by ourselves.
Okay.
Fair enough.
Oh, it wants us to show each step. That sucks.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think we have to draw multiple.
Yeah. So. Honestly, this might be easier on Paint because you get to copy paste stuff in Paint. And that way it'll be easier when you're moving stuff around too, rather than having to redraw the tree the whole time, and you can just take screenshots of each step.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So do you want to do that instead?
Yeah, I can screen share as long as I'm told the numbers. Actually, I don't know if
It's in
Mac
the
has
doc.
Paint. Does Mac have Paint?
Should have some kind of variation of paint.
I'll just do Paint online.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
didn't even know they had paint online.
It's not very pretty.
It's not
1
very pretty,
second.
so.
All right, this should work. This should work. All right, can you guys see this?
Yeah.
I can.
Okay. Let me move this over here. Do you know how to move the bar? Because the bar is getting in the way.
You should be able to grab it on like a corner and drag it somewhere.
Okay,
And then
I
if you
think-
like don't hover over it, it'll minimize itself.
Yeah, I think it did that. How do I add numbers on this? Whatever. So the first number was 10, right?
Yeah, it's 10.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
12.
I don't know if you guys want to take a screenshot of that, but I'm just going to do 12 right here.
Oh, yeah. I should probably do a screenshot, I guess.
Okay.
Do
Don't
you
do
want me to
anything yet.
screenshot or?
It might be easier if you screenshot it, Jacob, but you might just want to add it to the Google Doc so we can just submit it as a PDF instead of submitting 12 different images.
So are we just gonna take one final screenshot at the end then, or?
What I'm saying is like take screenshots in the process and then each screenshot add it to the Google
Okay.
Doc, and then we can submit the Google Doc as a PDF.
Sounds good. Snipping tool. Yeah, so I'll draw the 10.
Just give me 1 second, because I think I can do text instead, and that will look nicer.
Yeah, that looks good.
So there's the 10, and then
I guess
there's
oh, okay. Are you gonna draw a circle or a rectangle around it, or?
yeah, let me just here. I'll do. Okay, I guess I'll just move this. Oh, that moves the whole. Okay, 1 second. All right. I think I get it now. Here's the 10. Let me add the circle around it so you can take a picture.
I swear there's a shapes tool at the bottom. It might make your life a little easier. No. When you click on the brush. Yeah.
I wonder
There you
if
go.
it'll.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think I prefer the other one because that way I don't have to click through like 2 different times. Maybe I'll try doing that. Here, let me just do that. And then the circle. There you go. All right.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Does that look good, Jacob?
Yeah.
I can start with the 12. All right. Oh,
going
the
to-
shape should still have a arrow, maybe. No. Okay, so then there's the 12 on the left side.
Yeah, hold up. I just need to put the images in or save the screenshots.
Here, I have the 12 ready whenever you're done taking the screenshot.
Okay. 12. Yeah. And then we need to shift the 12 up, right?
It's
It's
a
a
minimum
min.
heap. So
Oh,
no.
right. Oops. Yeah.
Yeah. And then I have to show that we added the one and then we swapped it with the parent. So I'm gonna add the one here first. Okay, just take a screenshot of that and let me know. It's starting to get a little ugly, but
It's only gonna get worse when you have to shift 12 times and do 12 extra steps.
all right. And then do I even have an eraser?
Yeah.
I do.
I don't know if it works for text, but oh, okay. Erase the
That
whole thing.
work. That'll do it. That'll do it. And so then the next step is I do,
Yeah. One's at the top and then
yeah.
yeah. So
Let
I'll
me
take a screen-
just add this.
Oh, the swap.
Yeah. I don't know if
Just
that,
have an arrow on the other end. So just have like arrows on both sides.
yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
Like instead of drawing two different arrows.
Oh, I see what you're saying. That's smart. Yep. So actually, I could do better than that.
Trying to be pretty in paint.
All right, that should do it.
We tried.
Yeah. Let me know when you have it, and let me pull up the next number.
It's like 14.
14.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can read them
Ex-
off to you since I'm not actually doing anything.
Okay. I mean, reading them off is doing something. But,
Well, that's what I'm doing now. But before I was just standing here watching you do it. I was like, well, I can be productive.
Okay, so 14, and this one I'm just going to add to the left, and that should be chill. I don't think we need to add anything to that.
Yeah, and then you have 6.
Here, let me take a
6.
screenshot first.
Yeah.
Okay, I got the screenshot.
All right, perfect. So first I'll show that I added the 6 down here. And then I have the line. And then I go through and find the eraser, decrease the size by a lot.
Oh yeah, and then I need to take a screenshot, right?
Yeah.
Oh, can you move your cursor out of the way?
Oh, did you already?
Oh yeah, I didn't take it yet. Yeah,
That's fine.
okay, there you go. Then yeah, 6. So that will go in our 6. Okay.
There are a lot of numbers.
Yeah.
Every time you put text in, it always moves up.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what happens, but okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let me know when you have that.
Or do you want to get rid of like those arrows up on the top right and put them on the 6 and 12?
Yeah. I don't know if there's a drag and select here though. How do I do it? No, I
I
can't.
don't think you have that option.
Yeah, there's just
Are there
no
layers
select.
on here? I guess you could down if you had layers, but you don't.
Oh wait. Oh, that's just gonna erase it. Yeah. Oh wait, I don't know what's happening. Sorry. This is wasting so much time. Maybe it's just easier to draw it.
Well, I mean, we have 90 minutes. And...
Just go back to your brush, erase it, and then go into the layers tab and make a new layer and do the arrows there. So you don't have to work, like you can just move the layer.
Okay. All right, got it. This one erased, not quite. Let me do it that way. All right, it's erased. And then go into layers, add a new layer, and then I'm gonna
Yeah, then just
You're already
drag it.
on layer 2. Don't worry.
Oh, I called it eraser when I meant to call it arrow. That's fine. I'm on layer 2, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then you
Okay.
just go ahead and draw the arrow where you want it to be, and then you should hopefully be able to move the layer.
Hopefully.
I don't know how good this application is, but
It's not showing up.
it's a white. Like your color is white.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. Oh my
That is
god.
thick. That is thick.
That is a big arrow.
All right.
Yeah.
There you
Let's
go.
go.
Take a screenshot. Okay. Got it.
Okay. Do you want to see if I can move it?
Yeah, you can, I think just drag it to 0.
Oh wait,
How do
you
I drag
should be able to use the hand tool, and it should only move that layer, I think. Nope, it moves the whole thing.
Yeah, drag it to 0. Or
Oh, well then it disappears. I was hoping that you would be able to physically drag the layer object around, but I don't think you can,
No, I guess not.
as odd as it is.
Yeah, what's next? The next number is 1. Actually, no, that's I already did that.
It's 5.
14. Wait, after 14 it was 6. 6 moved up, and then it's 5.
Yeah, you got 5. Yeah.
And so the first thing 5 does is be under 10.
Mm-hmm.
Am I on the wrong layer or something? Yeah, I am on the wrong layer. 10. Shape. What is going on?
Oh, I think you need to do the other circle.
The other circle. Oh,
Yeah.
what is that?
Oh, it's because you haven't clicked on eraser, that's why.
Yeah, you need to turn off
Oh.
eraser.
There you go. We're all learning this program.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're learning that it sucks. What's the numbers? 5?
6. Oh wait, no, it's 5. Yeah, you're right.
5. Add it in.
Okay, I'll
Let me know when you have the screenshot. Okay.
Okay, I have it.
And then I draw the swap arrow. And then eraser. Where are
Just
you?
click the bottom right. There you go.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay. And then it's just text of, well, the top becomes 5, right?
Yeah.
Except it's placing in a really weird place. 5. And then this one becomes 10.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'll take a screenshot. Okay, got it.
It's erasing the whole background.
Yeah, I don't know. I noticed that. I don't know what to do about that.
Well, the only way you'd fix it is if you made another layer at the bottom and then filled it with white.
That
My
seems like a
artist
lot of
skills
work.
are coming to use,
Yeah,
but
that's-
are they needed? No.
Oh, why is it making the? Okay. Can you? Here, I think this would be a lot of these things that it's doing. It won't show up if you did it on regular paint. So can somebody
can
else take
do it
over?
if you want.
Can somebody else take over? Because I think that application sucks and it's taking a lot of time.
Okay.
try to
Dan, you
find
should have left
something.
it up so I could like copy that, but
I can reshare. Actually, you can probably take the screenshot off the doc.
okay. Let me just
Or
open
wait.
Paint real quick.
Jacob has the screenshots.
Oh yeah. Do you want me to put them?
Well, if you just put the
Yeah.
latest one up on the doc, I think Jordan can go from there.
Yeah, I can. Okay, let me.
Here, let me put them on there.
Okay, so they're on the dock, and I can go look at it. Okay.
Honestly, you might it might look nicer if you just start over from scratch. I'll leave it up to you.
That's what I'm gonna do, but I just want to see a visual so I know what I'm. I don't know why I have 2 instances of Paint open, but we're gonna work with this one. Yeah, that's the right one. Okay. Okay, let me move you guys over.
So I can read out the where we're at right now to you. So one is at the top circle.
Okay. Oh my God, why is it so big? That's too small. Okay, that works. And then you have 6. over
6 on the
here.
left, 5 on the right.
Oh my God.
So you might want to put them in circles, and I think what you can do is like,
Oh, I'm gonna do it afterward. I just want the placements there so that they look pretty. Okay, there we go.
oh, okay, yeah. And then it's 14 on the left of 6 and 12 on the right of 6. And then 10 on the right of or left of 5. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, so now here on Paint, you can just use the select tool for to move stuff around.
Okay.
Yeah,
And then we're swapping it, right?
we already did the swap, so we're good as it is right now.
Okay.
But if you want to move the 12 over to the left a little bit, you can, but I think it's fine. Do you want to take, this is where we were at the latest, and the number right after this was 8, and that adds to the right of 5. And that should be where it is because there's no swap required for that.
Yeah.
Okay. Good to know.
I'll
There
take
you
a
go.
screenshot.
And then
So let me do that. And then, okay, I got it.
okay, so 15 is the next number, and that will go to the left of 14. And since it is bigger than 14, it's fine where it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
The next one is 3, which is to the right of 14, and we need to get a screenshot of it at 3, or like right to the right of 14.
All right, Jacob, do you have the screenshot?
Oh, let me do.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. Yeah, actually,
Yeah, I got
before
it.
you take, oh, you already took it, but let me,
Oh, you're gonna move it to the right? Yeah.
yeah, so I actually have space to work with. Okay.
I mean, once you
then-
crop, it'll look the same on the dock anyway, so it's cool. I
Yeah,
think it's fine.
so 3.
Yes, it was 3.
Yeah, it's to the right of, okay, yeah.
And so once we get the screenshot, the first swap will be with 14, and then it will swap with 6. So we're doing 2 swaps on this one.
Okay, hold up. Okay, I got the screenshot.
No, we don't want it to be that low. There you go. And then I guess you want an arrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yours looks way nicer than mine.
I have drawn in this program way too many times to count using my mouse, so I've just gotten used to how this program works.
Yeah. You can use select to just move the arrow out of the way instead of having to redraw it every time too.
Yeah.
You got the screenshot?
Okay.
Yeah, and you might want to move
then-
the arrow like off to the side.
Oh, that's gonna clip
Yeah.
the other thing. There we go. Come here.
Nice.
Over there. Okay. And
Okay.
then what's the next one?
You swap with 6 because it's smaller than 6.
Oh, yeah. Can I make this slightly bigger? There we go.
And then when you swap the arrow, you might want to like flip it around horizontally.
Okay.
possible to do that?
You
Yes, it
can,
is.
you just,
Oh, wait.
you just hold
Oh.
the right, yeah, there you go, like that.
I need the other. Oh my God, what happened? Okay, we're gonna try this again.
I think it's easier if you do
Oh,
it from the
wait.
right side.
Uh,
That'll do it too.
there
Yeah,
you go. Oh,
you can angle it,
Uh,
I think, right?
I don't think there's an angle tool. I think you can.
no,
rotate
unfortunately,
it.
there's not.
Wait, can you unrotate it or re-rotate it 180 degrees and then mirror? Yeah, I think there should be a mirror in the rotate. Yeah, flip.
Oh, flip horizontal. That
Yeah.
looks good enough. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I move it. Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, that's good
Just-
enough. I'll just take a picture.
Yeah.
I don't even think we need the arrow. I think it's fine.
Okay.
Although
What's there?
that took longer than it should have, so it might be easier to just redraw it every time.
Yeah,
Maybe we should
it's
just
fine.
have two copies, one for the left and one for the right.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
We also could have just put it on the right side instead of on the left side.
that's just a lot here.
We,
It's not like I
we,
can't draw arrows here. It's fine.
Jacob, did you get the screenshot for that one?
Yeah, I believe I did. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, well, here's a new arrow.
Oh, do you want me
And
to?
we're gonna remake the old arrows. Now I have two different arrows. I don't have to do this 30 million times. Yeah, the free form. Okay, what's our next one?
After, you just did 3, right? 9
Yep.
is the next one. So 9 goes on the left of 12 to start, but then it swaps once with 12.
And
Right.
I'll take the screenshot. So, got it. We're currently at 15 screenshots.
That sounds disgusting, but it's fine.
It's gonna be a fun time on the Google Doc when it moves like all over the place, adding those pictures in.
Oh, it's not free form anymore.
I think you can send it, once you
I
place it, I
forget.
think you can send it back, right? Like if you right click on it. Oh,
Yeah, I forget. It pulls all the white with it.
yeah.
Okay, fine,
Oh.
fine. I will just make these myself every time. It's whatever. There.
Okay, and I'll take a screenshot. There you go, got it.
Okay, and then what's the next one?
For you add 7 to the right of 9. And then since 7 is smaller, you make one swap with 9.
Yeah.
Are the other 2 questions easy, Jacob?
One of them is explain, and then another one is insert more.
Oh, okay. So it doesn't sound too bad.
Yeah.
All right, let me get the screenshot.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
It would be funny if we found out later that we could have used the program he gave us all along. But-
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you got it.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'll take the screenshot.
Oh, did you not
Oh,
already?
oh, yeah. Can you undo?
Go for it.
Okay, there you go. Yeah, I was looking at the other questions. Yeah, one of them is explain like some of the features of the min heap. And then the last one is it's a max heap instead of a min heap, but yeah. I got the screenshot.
Okay, the number right after is 4, which will go on the left of 10.
Okay, give me
and then
one
it does.
second. So
Oh.
I'm gonna move this so I have space. And then we'll just redo stuff. It's fine. Oh God.
No,
Oh.
yeah.
Oh no. Oh
I
no.
thought I got it.
Okay.
There you go.
What was the number?
4. It does a double swap.
Yeah.
Make that circle a little better. Okay.
I think you're gonna end up with 25 screenshots by the end of this. Yeah, pretty sure it's 25 by the end.
Okay. And then I'll take a screenshot. Yep, got it.
Okay. I'm so tempted not to draw these arrows.
We can just stop. I don't care, but
Okay. Goodbye, arrow.
okay. And then we take a screenshot with the 4, swap with the 5.
Yeah, I got the screenshot.
Okay.
And then the next number is 11, which
Oh,
is
yeah.
to the right of 5.
Okay, I'll take the screenshot. We're not doing the arrows anymore, right?
No,
Okay.
we're good. Okay, what's our next one?
11. Sorry, I didn't realize. Were you saying anything, Jacob? I was talking over you.
It's okay. Yeah, I was just asking if we were drawing the arrows.
Okay, got it.
I was waiting. And then I'll take a screenshot of that.
Yeah, this is chill. And then 13 is to the left of 8. And it should stay to the left of 8. I guess you won't end up with 25. I thought that was 3 and not 13.
No, but 2 is gonna have to go all the way up.
Yeah.
Oh, what happened? Oh, I minimized it on my end. Okay.
You
It
thought
was
you
fine
messed
for
it up?
us.
Well, I knew I moved it. I just didn't know where I moved it. So is our last number 2?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, let me know you're good and I'll do the swap.
Oh yeah, I got the screenshot.
Okay,
Yeah, sorry for keeping you waiting.
it's fine. It's fine. 2. Okay.
And got the screenshot. Then got the screenshot.
Okay. That
Screenshot.
should be the end of it. So 1 at the top, 3 to the left, 2 to the right. That's fine. The which one is left, which one is right doesn't matter. And then to the left is 6, 7, 15, 14. Yeah, it looks good. I don't think there's any number that's out of place.
Yeah.
All right, we did it.
Okay. I'll add all these to the doc. I'll add the second question
Okay.
doc, and then I'll put in the screenshots.
Discuss the following regarding the maximum item in a minimum heap with n items. A minimum heap is a heap with a small. Do not give an example to prove the statement. Explain why the statements should be true. Examples are often useful, but not sufficient to prove.
I'm going to upload all those images. Sorry about that.
You're good. Should we just like wait for you to upload because the text will move a lot while you're
I already
uploading?
uploaded all of them. Yeah, you can upload all of them in one go. Yeah.
It's not showing for us.
Oh, it's not?
Not yet, not yet. Maybe it
Yeah,
will all
not
at
the
once.
doc.
Yeah, I think it might be doing it all at once or something.
Yeah, and I guess I'll share my screen, or I guess, do you want to or should I share my
Oh,
screen? Or
go for it.
okay,
Oh, all the pictures just got added
yeah,
and
Oh,
they're
they're
all
all
on their
on
own
one.
page.
All crop, maybe. Okay.
yeah, we can do that at the end. And then what else? So discuss the following regarding the maximum item in a min heap within items. And so the smaller values are at the root and do not give an example. And so it must be at one of the leaves.
Well, it is an
So,
item in the heap, so it is one of the leaves. I don't know what else you will say to prove that.
oh, like the leaves are at the very bottom of the tree.
Oh.
Yeah. But yeah, this
Okay.
makes sense because the smaller numbers are closer to the top and the larger numbers are at the bottom. And since the
Yeah,
leaves are at the bottom, the maximum has to be at the bottom.
yeah. And when you're adding the numbers in, like the minimum is always moved up. So the maximum is always pushed down as you're adding numbers to the heap.
Mm-hmm.
It is impossible for it to stay near the top.
Or yeah. And so since the min heap stores smaller values at the top, the larger values will be at the bottom. And therefore, since the larger values are at the bottom of the tree or heap, then the maximum has to be a leaf. And then also you mentioned that.
I'm adding that to the sentence. I'm just adding it right
Okay.
before you. So
Okay.
when numbers are being added to the heap during the percolating, is that what he said?
Yeah, it's percolating.
Process, the smaller numbers are pushed up. So the bigger numbers pushed towards the tree.
There you go.
There are exactly n over 2 leaves. What is the definition of leaves here?
Oh, those are the child. So if you go over here, that's 15, 14, 12, 9, 10, 11, 13, 8.
15. Oh,
Yeah, but if you go to the notes, that works with the formula here.
Leaves are just are like children without being a parent, right?
Yeah. And then if you go to the
Okay.
notes, what is it? He gives a formula for it. Like we can just undo the formula. The parent, for example, is like index over 2. So the number of children is just, or well, yeah. I guess so, yeah. That makes sense.
Well, every time you go to a new child, basically, you do n times 2, right? So
Yeah.
like that's what the formula is. So inevitably, like the last one will always be n/2 number. Like that's just the number of leaves there are at the bottom. So I guess you could say, like, how do you phrase this?
Um, oh yeah, this is up to 2 children.
I don't know how to explain this final step of the logic where where do you go from here to explain?
Or I think
Because
we need to tie it back into the n items. So this is like how many items? And then I'm not sure if he wants like a proof by induction or I don't think so, but
well, 222 is not a prerequisite for this class. So
yeah, but we had notes over it.
oh, true.
So I don't know if he wants us to do that. So yeah. Yeah, so there's
Maybe we
one,
can use an example to talk about this part
yeah, it's
to
probably
prove.
better. So yeah, you have one. We could probably talk about the example we just did. Yeah. So there's what, 15 items? Or how many items? I think there's 15.
Well, I don't even think you need an example though, because if you just do ×2 of the number right before yours, then you, because it's like,
Yeah, but this is n, the total number of items in the tree, not the number of parents. Like,
sorry, I think I got it. The way you would explain it is, so the final level will have, it's not n, right? It's like,
yeah, it's gonna have n over 2 for the ceiling.
yeah, I can't really use that without, I can't just use n because, yeah, I can't just directly use an example either. So I don't know how to like, because Let us consider the case where the final level has m nodes. So when going to the next level, it will have m times 2 nodes. So total nodes in the tree will now be m plus m times 2. M times 2.
Yeah, and then we could say that this is equal to n. And then, so,
Wait. Before you say that, I just wanted to say like this one thing I wanted to say. So you could say 3m divided by 2 equals it would be equal to 2 because you're doing the ceiling, right?
yeah, so we could do like ceiling of 3m over 2 is equal to 2m. And then, yeah. And so that's what we got right here. And so we could equate this. So the total number of nodes is our 3m, which in this case, which is also equal to the n items in the tree. And as shown, cutting that value in half and sealing it yields 2m. So doing the same to n yields n over 2 . And then this is obviously equivalent to 2m. And then I guess that's the proof, kind of.
I feel like that's good enough. I think like we did the logic without really using an example. We have to use numbers to prove it. I don't think that really counts as using an example.
Okay, yeah. Maybe he wants it, I don't know if he wants it like formalized as a proof, but I think that's good enough.
Yeah.
Then every leaf must be examined to find it. That's pretty easy because you just, it's not sorted in any way really, other than the levels. So you have to check every node, unlike the binary search tree.
The heap is not sorted in any way in terms of left to right ordering.
Yeah, only the levels are ordered.
All we know is that the leaves have smaller numbers than the parents a little bit.
And then
To ensure that we have the biggest number in the heap, you have to number in the heap, you have to examine every leaf.
yep, sounds good. And then I'll get the other problem. Yeah.
Wait, in the
So,
second statement, when you say smaller numbers, are you talking about smaller values? And that should be larger, since the leaves are larger. This statement.
oh,
You said they're smaller, which would
Oh.
negate
Oh,
having to go through
sorry.
everything. Yeah.
All we know is that the leaves have the
Sweet.
parents above the leaves. Sorry, I need to rephrase this sentence. All we know is that the parents above the leaves are smaller.
Okay.
And then problem 3 is below. I'll stop sharing my screen.
Problem 3 is pretty big.
I don't like that.
Yeah, we have to sort all this stuff into that heap. And it's a different kind of heap, I think.
Oh wait, we're sorting it? Okay.
Or we have to insert it.
Okay, so a min-max heap is a data structure that supports both delete min and delete max in O log n time per operation. The structure is identical to the binary heap, but the heap order property is that for any node X. At even depth, the element stored at X is smaller than the parent, larger than or equal to the grandparent. I am really confused by what this means.
So what this means is you start at the smallest number, then you go to larger number, then you go smaller, then larger, then smaller. So yeah, so this is even depth 0. So you go from smaller to larger to smaller to larger. So 6 is less than
Oh, I see
87,
it.
and then 87 is larger than 28, then 28 is smaller than 42. So
Okay,
you just flip.
but then that also means that are you sorting like, so if you took out the even number of every level, so if you took it, like if you look at 2 and 4, are those sorted too?
No, I don't think they are left to right because there's some that has the right side that's greater than the left, and some that has the left side greater than the right side.
Yeah.
I think it's just the levels once again.
So show what happens to the minimax heap in figure 1 after inserting 29, 4, 95, 41, 9, 93, and 67. Show your work.
I think that means just draw the swaps.
Yeah, I guess you would just take this, put it in paint and do it, but I don't know how we're supposed to add to this though. Like,
Yeah, so I think 29 would just go at the bottom left right here. Then we need to decide if it needs to move up. Yeah,
do you
because
want to share your screen again, Jordan, and draw
Yeah.
again? Okay. I can't do it because I don't have paint.
I got you. I'll just make a new sheet. Okay, and I guess let me copy this image. Are you not gonna let me paste the image? Okay. No, it's not. Okay, let me save it and then I guess I'll open it in Paint. That's fine. Okay. Okay, so what is the first thing that I'm going to be adding in here?
we're going to add 29.
Okay.
Okay, probably just one smaller font.
I'll take that. Okay. Oh, that's too thick. Okay.
Yeah.
That feels big.
Yeah, it's
But
kind of big.
okay. Can I make this? I should be able to make this image itself bigger. Okay, it's a little ugly, but we'll work with it. And then I'll move y'all over to the right. Okay, much better.
Yeah.
Okay, you can screenshot it now.
And I will. Yeah, I got the screenshot.
Okay.
So we don't need to do anything with the 29 because according to the hint, as long as it's between the parent and the grandparent, that's good. So 29 is between 31 and 28.
Okay. And then what's our next one?
4. Yeah, and we'll take a screenshot.
Does this one also have to be between the parent and the grandparent?
Yeah. So we're gonna have to move it.
Yeah. Can we move it before 87, or does it have to just take 28's place and then stay there? Like, can it go between 6 and 87, or does it?
Well, I don't think 4 is. Well,
Oh, actually, it has to go in 28's place. It can't go above that.
because that would mean 28's between 4 and 6, and it's not.
You're right. Yeah.
Okay, so swapping 4 with 28.
Does it directly swap, or does it?
I think we need to move it one up.
So swap these two and then swap these two.
Yeah.
Actually, wouldn't it skip that if you were doing the sort?
Um.
Like,
Oh, okay, yeah. It says
yeah,
at the
when you're
very end,
swapping, yeah.
it says you add the new item at the last level. However, you have to decide whether the item should percolate up the min heap or percolate up the max heap. Okay, so yeah, it looks like we can skip a level.
I think you have to skip a level when you're moving up, because if you're moving up, it means it's smaller, right?
Yeah, so we can flip 4 and 28. Yeah, because if you look at the last paragraph, it says you can either move up the min heap or the max heap.
Okay, it's gonna look ugly, but it's gonna be there.
I mean, it was gonna look ugly no matter what. They really put us in a bind there.
Yeah. And then
Oh,
I think
okay.
yeah, it's set to show your work. So can you draw the arrow from 4 to 28? Yeah, and then I will take a screenshot. Okay, got it.
Okay. What's our next
Okay.
number? I can't see anything, so.
Yeah, my screen also just went to sleep. Hold on.
Yeah, I think it's 90.
Yes, the next number is 90. It is bigger than the number above it, and it is an odd number, so it should stay where it is, right? Or even number, sorry.
Well, it has to be between the parent, right? Or in the grandparent.
This is the big number row, right?
Yeah,
Because
Because
42.
all of these are bigger than their children, so I think this one actually has to move up here.
yeah, so 90 and 42 swaps, I guess.
Mm-hmm. I'll just take a screenshot before I do it though.
Oh yeah. Let me make sure to do that. Got it.
It's just another step in the logic, right? Basically. Because depending on the row you're on, you just got to check if it's the row above you is odd or even.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but you also have to make sure that it's what is it? Yeah, so which depth is that on 42?
Oh, actually, 90's got to swap with 87 too.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah. So we can just move it up there and then we'll make another swap.
I think he wants us to take a picture of 90 being here first, though.
Yeah. Can you draw the arrow?
Yeah, okay.
Are we good on time, by the way?
We have, let me see, 30 minutes.
We should be
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. I'll take a screenshot. Okay, got it. And so now we'll just switch them.
Okay. Actually, let me do myself a favor. They look hideous the other way. This is 87. This is 90.
Okay, I'll take a screenshot. Yep, got it.
Okay.
The next number is 5. And I think we got lucky here because if it was on the other side of the tree, then it would have to move up. But because we're on this side, it doesn't
yeah.
move up.
Yeah, because 5 is
Okay.
between 87 and 4. So
Before we do anything, let me move this over.
Nice. And then we add 41, but this goes on the next level. So it would go on the left of 31 and stay there because and it might help us to number each level, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's at even depth. Smaller than or equal to the parent, but larger than or equal to the grandparent. Am I wrong? Does it swap actually?
no. If you look at the hint, it says as long as it's between the parent and the grandparent, it's fine. So 41 is between 31 and 71.
Okay.
Yeah. And so I will write that down as 8. Okay. Got that screenshot.
Okay.
And then 9. 9 will have to move up to 59. Or sorry, 9 will have to move up to 31 and swap, but I think it stays at that though.
Yeah.
Actually, it would then also swap with 14.
Yeah. So let me take a screenshot of that. You want me to take a picture of the level or no?
You don't have to, but if they're there for y'all's convenience, so.
Okay.
I don't think we need that for the screenshot.
Okay. Got that. And so
And then what are we stopping? We're stopping 9 with which one?
31.
Okay.
It does swap with 31 first, right?
Yeah. Because we're gonna put it in on the max heap. Or wait. We're gonna put it on the min heap. Sorry. Yeah. Because 9 is smaller than 41. So it should be on the min heap side.
Okay, so now we're in the min heap, and then we're like, okay, we got to check the min heap, and then the number above it is, or like the number above the number is smaller. So we swap 14 and 9 after this level.
Yep.
Makes sense.
Okay, I got the screenshot. Yeah, and then if we check, 9 is between 81 and 6, which are its parents and grandparents. And then
What was this number that I just swapped?
that
14?
was
14.
14.
Okay.
Yeah, and 14 is between 9 and 71.
Okay, the next number is 93 once we're done with this. So that one,
Let me take a
I
screenshot.
think that one swaps with 71, unfortunately.
Yeah, I got a screenshot.
Okay, and our next one, sorry.
The next number is 93.
Yep.
I'm sorry, I went ahead. I was just wondering what we were going to be doing next. So this one, because it's not between 71 and 59, it just swaps with, I think we can just direct swap it with 71, right?
Yeah, because
Rather than
it's
go
gonna be
through
on
the
the max
intermediate.
heap.
Yeah.
Be in the max heap. And then I think we also have to shift it with 81 as well. So it's gonna go to 71, then 81.
Okay.
Yeah. Here, let me check. I need to take a screenshot real quick. And there we go. Okay, got it. You can swap 93 and 71.
How are you going to do this arrow?
I'm about to loop it through here.
We could go the long way around. Or, I don't know. Oh yeah, we can just do Control Z, right? And I'll get rid of
Press
the arrow.
strats. Boom. Yep.
Okay, I will take a screenshot. So, yep. And then we just need to swap it with 81.
Next number is next to last number, I should say, is 67.
Oh, good. I was getting worried that these were gonna, I'd have to adjust every single one of these things.
Let me take a
But-
screenshot. Um, 15. Yep. Okay. And so yeah, the last one is 67. Yeah.
Is this the last number or the second to last number?
This is
So
the last
because
number.
it's 60, it's last.
Okay.
Yeah, and then this should be fine because 67 is between 59 and 81.
Yeah.
And then I'll just take this last screenshot
Nice.
and then that's it.
Did we already crop all the?
I don't.
No. We
Okay,
have to.
I'll do that right now.
Oh, do you want to insert? Okay.
Oh no, you did already crop it, Jordan. Or did
I
you?
didn't. I
Okay.
did not.
Okay, I guess they just, I don't know. I guess not all of them had to be cropped. Yeah, I think
No,
not
the
all of
ones
them
at the
cropped.
very top. Yeah, the ones at the very
Yeah.
top have to be.
I'm cropping them.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll just wait to insert the other ones, and then I'll make copies of the doc, and then upload them as PDFs.
This might take a second.
How do
It's
you
okay.
crop these things? Oh wait, never mind. I see the crop tool. I
yeah.
didn't use my thinking skills.
Yeah, I think we have like 25 minutes left, so we're pretty good. Yeah, I wonder if he's gonna go through and just see that there's just a random change in the art style.
Hey, it
It's
happens in comic
fine.
books all the time. It's okay. All right, I think that's good. I don't think I need to crop anything more.
Okay, I will add the ones for problem 3.
Oh, hey, Jacob, by the way, I don't know if you use snipping tool or not, but
Yeah.
I found that using light shot was easier because it automatically puts you in the like little square thing mode and it like takes a
Oh,
screenshot. Like, I don't know.
yeah.
I would recommend
I
trying light shot.
okay, yeah, I'll write that down. Yeah, and I just added the ones for problem 3. You might have to reload.
Yeah, I think it's taking a little while.
But yeah. Actually, they're pretty good themselves.
Yeah,
Unlike
it's
most of
not
them.
loading for me. It shows it that it's loaded on your end. I think my internet might be bugging out.
Yeah, but I think they're like practically already cropped.
Yeah. So I can upload a PDF for question 1. It's just pages 1 through 10.
Yeah. Yeah, and then I think for problem 2, we can just copy this and go into the
I'm
quiz.
trying to fit 3 to a page. I hate these ones with just 2 in them.
Oh, yeah.
I am last minute cropping. I want this thing to be like 16 pages, and they're like, why?
Yeah, trying to make it all fit.
I so badly want to make it all fit.
If you made any changes to question 1, I might have missed them.
I haven't made any changes to the physical question 1, but I went and cropped everything so they fit like 3 per page.
Oh,
Yeah, I already downloaded it.
Got it.
So I think I
Okay,
think
I
I might
guess
have
we're just
missed
gonna have
it.
13 pages. That's fine.
Uh, yeah. Um,
oh, did you already do problem 1?
yeah, I'm uploading the PDF for problem 1 right now on the Google Drive.
Okay, I will.
Yeah, I would double check to make sure I have everything there, but I'm pretty sure I do. Question 1 lab 6 is now uploaded on Google Drive.
Okay, I will add. I will download problem 2. Save downloads. Problem 2. And then I'll also save problem 3 as well.
Oh, you downloaded the whole PDF.
Oh, oops. Let's see, where does
I think it's
problem
11 through 30.
Yeah. So it's 11 through 19.
Is that all the page numbers or is there more? Oh, 19 is the number of pages we have, yeah.
Yeah. Problem 3. And then I'll go to the drive. And then we can check through to make sure that all of it's here. There we go. That's good. So I'll download it. And then we can go to the quiz, upload everything, go to downloads, go to Q1 Lab 6. And this is question 2. And then this is question 3. And then we can check the downloads again. Yeah, here's problem 2. And then we already went through problem 1. So here's problem 3. And then you all ready to submit?
Wait, can you scroll down to question 2? Okay, yeah, I think, yeah, we're good.
Okay. And then I'll stop sharing and then turn off the record.